Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to uninstall the Dramabox app. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Dramabox app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner and the profile page will open up. Now, you just need to access settings from the bottom and select Account Deletion. After that, accept the terms and tap on the Delete Account button. Once you do this, your account will be deleted completely. In order to delete the app itself, tap and hold the app icon until a menu appears. From this menu, select Remove App, then choose Delete App, and finally confirm the action to uninstall it. So that's basically how you can uninstall the Dramabox app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.